my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. I am wearing a golden oldie of a dress. I got this dress in H&M, and what I loved more than anything with this dress were the sleeves. I just love the bouffant sleeves, and it's just such a cute dress that you could really wear to a wedding, you could wear to lunch, you can wear it. It just makes me happy. You know what I mean? Anyway, 'tis the time for me to shout out yet another Fumi Nation YouTuber, and we have the Dr. Precious and the Precious Ones. I live for her. She's so glamorous, she's so fabulous, and she's all about wellness, dating. She has an episode here saying 4 signs that predict your marriage is doomed. Then she has 10 red flags of dating, looking for love, lies you tell yourself, oh, that's a good one. Money and character. Alcohol does this. Kidney disease. I am living and loving, all about wellness, all about centering yourself, and I live for it, mama. Congratulations. Your family, your supporters showed up and showed out. For those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, I will shout you out. You deserve a shout out. You deserve many shout outs, as a matter of fact, because I know what YouTube is. It's a tough call. And I was out here for 10 years, and it was in the 8.5 year that something popped up for me, and I began to get some kind of followers. It's very tough. And so I said to myself that I'll make it a point to shout out Fumi Nation YouTubers so that you can get traffic and Fumi Nation can come and support others. And so if you have just 2 friends to follow me on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, I will give you a shout out. You absolutely deserve it. And I am liking what she's got here. She's so cute. She's very fabulous. And there's a lot here to learn. She talks about all kinds of things. Your marriage is at risk if you notice this. Looking for love. Before you marry, watch this. Diabetes, flat tummy in weeks. I'd like to know that too. Good girl, good girl. Answering your medical and dental questions. Wow. Fantastic, Dr. Precious. I wish you all of the best, and thank you for sharing with us on these YouTube streets. YouTube is tough. It is so much harder than what people think. And so I applaud all of you, and just keep going. Just keep going. So why are we here, my darlings? I will tell you why we are here. Fumi Nation. I live for you. You're absolutely fabulous. Fumi Nation sent me an article, and when I tell you, I had to read it twice, and I said, oh my God. It was a lady who was really under the impression that she was in a relationship with Brad Pitt. Yeah. The woman is from France. And I think that the worst part of all of this was that she transferred $800,000 to him. And of course, it was a scam. I hope Brad Pitt sees this in some way, shape, or form. But let me read this first. A woman in France has been scammed after she became convinced that she was in a relationship with Hollywood actor Brad Pitt. 53-year-old victim, who gave her name as Anne, the latest to fall for the fake Brad Pitt scam after several cases were reported in Spain of 2024. The interior designer told French channel TFI that the nightmare began in September of 2023 when she received a message on Instagram from Jane Pitt, the actor's mother, so they claimed. Their chat quickly turned to Brad Pitt and how the two would make a great romantic match. Anne was told by the fraudster posing as Brad's mom, "It is a woman like you that my son needs." The very next day, another account contacted her writing, "Hello Anne, my mom told me a lot about you. I would like to know more." At first, she suspected it may be a scam, but she soon fell in the fraudster's tangled web of deceit. Anne recalled being flabbergasted that she was actually speaking with Brad Pitt, adding, "At first I thought it was fake, but I could not understand what was happening to me. After that, we would contact each other every day and we became friends." At the time, she was going through a rough patch in her personal life, and her relationship with a millionaire entrepreneur 19 years her senior was in tatters, newspaper Quest reported. So she was in a relationship with a man 19 years older than her, and that guy was a millionaire. Hence, she had the money to give the fake Brad Pitt. Posing as Brad Pitt, the fraudster sent her poems and songs and all AI photos to look like the actor. He knew how to talk to women. It was always very well done, Anne said. He started buying her luxury bags, but told her that she had to pay for customs. This is how Anne lost her coin, which came to an equivalent of 9,000 euros and an equivalent of 7,580 pounds. Eventually, the scammer, still impersonating the actor, claimed that he had kidney cancer and needed money for treatment. He told Anne that his ex-wife Angelina Jolie had frozen his bank accounts and he had no access to his fortune. Fake photos of Brad Pitt in a hospital bed strapped to an IV machine soon followed, and the victim was convinced. She eventually transferred 830,000 euros, equivalent of 697,000, to help with what she believed was cancer treatment for the film star. I tell you this, it's ironic, if this lady had a friend that was dying of cancer, she would not have transferred that money to the friend, even if she had known that friend for 20, 30 years. Also, I guess because I lived in Tinseltown and I worked in the industry, I have seen with my own eyes how people just go gaga over celebrities. It is so ridiculous how they go gaga over celebrities. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. And they faint and they this and they all of that. I've seen Brad Pitt. I was on the set of Warner Brothers and I think I was doing a film and he was walking by, and tall, good looking guy, charisma up the wazoo. He looks like $1 million. I will never forget. I think I had left set and I went to the bathroom, and the bathrooms on our film set were blocked or something. So I left and I went close to where they used to film Friends, the television show. And as I was coming out, Brad Pitt was just passing by. And did I stand and stare? Yes, I did. Because I was like, no way, is that Brad Pitt? But because I saw celebrities every day on the set and films and all of that, because I did so much extra work, after a while you just get desensitized. And if you do get an opportunity to speak to them, they're just really ordinary people. They're trying to remember their lines to stay in character. And they got other stuff on their minds. It's very bizarre to me that this woman behaved like that, and it does show that she must have been going through a lot in her life, because mental health is real. And when you're depressed and you don't believe in yourself and you feel that all is lost, you trickle down, some of us trickle down a hole where you believe ridiculous things like this. Because Brad Pitt has another girlfriend. And you have to really think about it, and I don't know why. Did you not talk to him on the phone? You go live, I want to see you, I want to talk to you, at least that. I want to see you properly, I want to talk to you, let me come over and see you. You didn't think about that? Brad Pitt has a girlfriend. Even I know that Brad Pitt has another woman. You did not think to say, let me Google, let me check. And you know, for me, Brad Pitt, that is one of the top A actors in Hollywood, in the world, you think that he would go online, come online and speak to a woman that he has never met, that he would speak to you. And I know that sounds very harsh, but think about it. This man has a steady stream of women in Hollywood first, actresses first, before he's going to step up out of there to say that he wants to be with you. It just sounds so ridiculous. At what point did you say to yourself, let me stop? He's sending you bags from where? You did not go online and say, let me ask somebody. Is it that you wanted to believe this farce? I don't know. It's such a scam, because if it sounds too good to be true, it's too good to be true, mama. It's too good to be true. It's too good to be what? It's too good to be true. Why would you believe in something like this? You have to heal yourself. Somebody says, oh gosh, this story has gone international. It is sad, but I couldn't stop laughing when I saw this on TV. All the AI pictures were hilarious. And she's right. The pictures were a joke. How could you believe this person? Desperation makes us do crazy things, and I think maybe she was desperate. So sad. I wonder if Europeans are somewhat naive, but loneliness makes people do unimaginable things. May God comfort us. So this is why you don't rely on people or life to make you happy, etc. Joy must come from within, and only God can give that kind of joy that the world cannot take away. I agree to some point. And it's not only Europeans, it's worldwide. You have a lot of Americans that go to Jamaica and go elsewhere and they get scammed. The first one that I can say is Portia. Portia got scammed. Portia got scammed into a whole marriage, and it was a scam as far as I'm concerned. Then you have, in this day and age, ain't no excuse to be vigilant. OMG. See, this is a problem with AI. This will only continue to happen. So things have really moved on from I am on the oil ring to I am Brad Pitt or Kevin Costner. Somebody wrote, not even FaceTime. I said it. I have no words. Really, lady? Then somebody wrote, hell to the no, no, no. Those AI and Photoshop pictures are a shameful heart mess. Somebody wrote, apparently she's going through a divorce and suffers from heavy depression. That's exactly what I said. Mama, if you're suffering through heavy depression, don't you want to heal from the divorce before you jump into another relationship? Do you not think that you are not in the right frame? You're not in the right frame of mind and your heart for you to be out here in these streets talking about you want to be with Brad Pitt, even if he was Brad Pitt. Are you in the frame of mind to be in another relationship? Scammers are such leeches. Please be vigilant and protect your resources. Can she sue for fraud? She can sue, but who is she suing? We don't even know who she was talking about. She believed a lie, shaking my head. Why are we so dumb and lacking in common sense? And you have to look at the picture. A hot mess. A hot mess. My God. But again, you know, like I said, I'm going to give her empathy. I feel sorry for you. This is a very expensive lesson for you to learn. Expensive lesson for you to learn. The second that I heard Brad Pitt, the second that a woman came onto Instagram and told you this kind of nonsense, you should have shut it down. Do you know how many fraudsters, scammers that I get, also emails and everything? And I laugh. And sometimes they're not scams because they're like, Fumi, I sent you an email. I said, oh, I'm sorry, I thought it was a scam. I will never part with my money. I promise you, I will never part with my money. All of my money is for Adrian. That's it. For nobody else. So you have to be like 6 years old to come out here and scam me. But it's not funny. That's a chunk of change. That's a lot of money. Maria, good girl. Thank you, my darling. Thank you. Thank you, Maria. That's a lot of money. And I hope some way, somehow, she gets something back. But darlings, the advice I give you, please be careful. Please be careful. And that goes for online dating, of which I support. But be careful of whom you're speaking to. Do not give anybody any kind of coin. No money at all. You can take it. But you cannot. Yes, baby. It's for me. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Ah, Maria, I forgot. Maria, come. Come. Maria is leaving. Maria is going in summer. Yes, you know, I don't know whether you guys know, but she has 2 children.
Yes.
She has 2 children, and so she's going. I love you, Maria. Thank you for everything. God bless you. Adrian's going to cry, you know.
No.
He's going to cry. He's going to cry. Yeah. Thank you, my darling. So, yes. So, yeah, that's what it is. Be very careful out here in these streets because they will scam you. And have I been scammed ever? No. I'm too street smart. Out here in these streets. Let me know if you want me to do a t-shirt out here in these streets. A lot of you have asked. A lot of stuff is coming. It's coming. And I'm very excited. I'm very sorry to my fellow lady in Paris. But this is a public service announcement to all women. Be very careful with your money. Anybody that asks you for money, he gotta go. He gotta go. The initial stages of any kind of relationship, use that as a red flag. Okay? All of my love. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love.